Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys about exception handling in Java. So what is exception handling? So exception handling is like the error codes like you get like if you like write something wrong like or do something that like does not allow like and the computer will give you an error and it says like this error is this and like for this, but if you want to customize the error message, so that is exception handling. So let me show you guys how to do that. Let me show you guys how to do exception handlings. So first I have this package Java 7. So we're going to start with like making our custom message in um you know exception handling. So let me show you guys. So first we'll start with public. Oops, sorry about that. We'll start with int, and then box, and then numbers equals, and then I will type this 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we'll put a semicolon, and then we're done. Now we'll put a space between the numbers, and then we will put a. We'll go down here and type try this. Then we'll do system dot out dot print ln numbers, and then 4. And then let me show you guys. So as you see, there's like in numbers, there's 1, 2, and 3, but like there's like this is the first number in the set, this is the second number in the set, and this is the third number in the set. There is no fourth set here. Because there is no fourth set, the computer gets confused with what you're trying to tell it. So then after that I'll write some other things so you don't get confused. So after that we'll put this here. Oops, sorry. And we'll put this under try. Okay. After that we will type catch, and then we'll type this, and then we'll do array index out of bounds exception e, and then we'll put this here, and then we'll put this here, and then we'll do system dot out dot println, and then after that we'll do this and type out of bounds, and then we'll put this here, and then this is there, and then we'll put space and then type finally, and then we do this there, and then we do system dot out dot print ln, and then we'll type operation completed. Let me fix this mistake. Okay, now we'll right click here on Java 7th, run as one Java application. Okay, we'll type, it types out of bounds. So let me type free and make it run. Let me type 2 this time. And there you go. So I haven't told you guys this, but Java code runs like from 0, just like Python. As you see, because I wrote free, like you guys might be thinking, okay, this is the third one, it'll write free. But you're wrong. In Java, like just like Python, if you watch my Python videos, you see that it starts with 0. So if you wanna like write like what list you want to get first, like you have to write 0 to get the first one, and like you have to write 1 to get the second one, and so on. So let me show you how that works. Let me run this code one more time. As you see, you get 2. So numbers 1 is this actually the second one. So for easy remembering, like whatever numbers like variable you want to get, like whatever order it is, just subtract an order by 1 and then type that number in. Because like if this is the third one you write free, it'll cause an error. Because if you want to like actually get like if you actually type free, you'll want to get the fourth one, but there is no fourth one. So yeah, so that's basically the code. Let me show you zeros. Let me show you guys zeros. So let me show you guys what I mean by that. Let me run this code. And as you see, this is what it writes. Okay, now let's move on to our second project today. So our second project would be to make a division, like division project with exception handling. So let me delete this for you guys. And here we'll move this to, oops, sorry. Okay, so we'll move this to line 5. We'll move public class to line 5. And in line 3, we'll want to write import. And then we'll type java.util.scanner. We'll put semicolon and turn this S uppercase. Okay, public class Java 7b, and then we'll go down, and then we'll do static scanner equals new scanner system dot in. Okay, and we'll put this here. Okay, so okay, so Okay, I accidentally wrote this line here. We actually need to write it here. My bad. Let me show you guys where I'm talking. So you need to go under the I and print it. Not like the mistake I did a second ago. Okay, as you see, that error is not there anymore, so let's start with the code. So first of all, it says public static void main string args, and then we'll go down and type try. Okay, then after try, we'll put this, and then we'll do system dot out dot print. We don't need to type print ln this time, so we'll do print enter numerator. Okay, and we'll put this here, and we'll put this here, and we'll put double quotes, and there we go. Let me just put this, and there you go. Okay, let me just type this. Okay, after that we'll do float numerator equals scanner dot next float. Okay, then we'll put brackets around it and put a semicolon there. Okay, then we'll do system dot out dot print, and then we'll do wait, let me delete this. Enter denominator. Okay, so after that we will put the space there. Wait, let me actually put this. Okay, after that we'll put float denominator, and then we'll do equals scanner dot next float. Then we'll put this, and then we'll put this. We'll put a semicolon after brackets. Okay, so then we'll do float result equals numerator, and then it's slash denominator. Then it's this, and then after that it's system dot out dot print ln, and then after that we'll do result, and then after result we'll do colon. We'll put a colon there, Then we'll skip this. Put a plus. Oops, sorry. Then we'll do plus result. Okay. And then we'll do this. And then we'll do catch. And then we'll do arithmetic exception. And then we'll put a dash here. Wait, so put arithmetic exception. And then Java the util dot in. Wait, let me put this here. I put this here. And wait, let me put this here. Okay. So now I done this. I put this dash here. We'll put this dash under the T, okay? Then we'll bring this back. And then we'll do Java dot util dot input mismatch exception E. And then we'll put this. And then we'll do system dot out dot print ln. And then we'll do this. Then we'll put some double quotes there. Then we'll type error invalid input or 0 division. Okay. Then after that, what we'll want to do is put a semicolon here, as usual. And then as you see, all this became colored because now the code understands what we're wanting to do. Then after that, we'll put a finally. And then after that, we'll put this. And then a space. And then after that, we'll do scanner dot close. And then we'll put this and put this there. Okay. Now let's wait. Let's run as one Java application. Okay. Let's go with usual. Enter numerator 9. Okay. Enter denominator 3, for example. I'm just putting some random stuff. And the result is 3.0. Okay. And put floats. I put instead of like int, I put floats because if I did int, it would just like, right, like it would just round it to like the number. But I put like floats so it likes the exact thing. So let me type another one. Let's run this code again. Enter numerator, cheese. And then let me type instance invalid. Oops, I spelled invalid, sorry. Okay, so it, as like usual, it types invalid input or zero division. Let me put zero division one more time. And enter numerator 7. Enter denominator 0. Result is infinity. Okay, so sometimes it just like writes infinity because like technically like 7 divided by 0 like is infinite. But let me type another one. Enter numerator 0, denominator 7, the result is 0. So let me just remove this zero division. We can also make like we could also make an exception for a zero division error. But this lesson is becoming a bit too long, so we'll skip that for today. But this actually like makes like infinity instead of like zero division error. But we can also put a zero division error if we like want to. Okay. Let me run this one more time. Let me write Java. Actually, let's just run this. Okay, so enter numerator 9, and then enter denominator pizza, invalid input. Okay, so that's basically it for today's lesson. I hope you guys enjoyed today's lesson about doing Java, like handling Java exceptions. And if you found this video useful, please share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video if you found my video useful. Thank you guys for watching today's lesson, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.